This is the last video of modeling the living room zone, and I will show you how to model two things: pictures on the wall, which can be copied on the unit or elsewhere, and also we will model a heater. Firstly, let's make a picture, create a rectangle on the wall and create a group. Then extrude it 18 millimeters and use offset also 18 millimeters. Then push a little, not to the end, and create another offset, maybe a little bigger value, and there will be a white color and there will be a picture, but also we need a glass. So let's copy this face there and delete this line. So on the top will be a glass and under the glass will be a picture. Also create some lines to make our texturing easier. Okay, it's good. And to add more realism around these edges, type in 1 millimeter and 3 segments is okay. Calculate and it's okay. No unneeded planes. There is a picture. You can copy more copies, place them on the unit. It's time for heater. Heater, we will start with also a simple rectangle, making a group to separate from the floors and extrude. Make it thinner and lift up. Now we should round edges, but type in, let's make a test, 15. 15 fits, so add more segments, 6, and okay. It's processing and it's done now. Turn on a hidden geometry and create some rectangles like this, and make more copies. It's quite fast. Now I'm going to use a very useful tool: joint, push, pull. It's perfect. We have many segments in our file, so SketchUp starts some stops, tricks, and also we need a pipe, so create a line and also use arc tool. Drag this more far, it's okay. Now wield it and pipe along path. Let's type in 8 millimeters and 20 segments, just perfect now. And let's create one more down there, and let's add it. Okay, very good. It's simple, using line and arc tool, then wielding the lines and using only a pipe along path tool. wheel, select, and pipe. Also, we need a support, so create a simple circle and extrude it. We have a heater, maybe it's too, let's make it thinner, and now it's okay. So see you in the next lesson, and we will start the zone, dining room zone modeling. Good luck in modeling all the things.